Hello and welcome back to another stock market update. Today was a wild day, and the wildness took place within the tech sector mainly. The NASDAQ or QQQ was absolutely insane. So let's start there. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. Okay, now one thing has been kind of disqualified in the past 2 days. I've talked about this being a 1, 2, 3, and then this being a 4, and then us coming up for a 5 and fading out here. That scenario right there has been invalidated. If this is our wave 4, it's gotten into wave 1. So that right there, that's little situation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is out. There are only two possibilities left. That either this is a 1, 2, 1, 2, and we are setting up for a huge move, which could potentially be supported by this huge spike in volume today and this huge reversal in the NASDAQ this morning. Or what could be happening is that we are going to fall and break these lows from back on March 5th, and we are entering a huge pullback. So basically, the middle possibility is eliminated. Either we are going to get a huge move up from here, or we're going to get a pretty decently large move down. I'm still leaning on the bullish scenario here. What's kind of indicating to me that this is a kind of a bullish setup is one, first of all, we saw this huge reversal at a huge breakout area. Notice how notice this right here. If you notice nothing else from the video, a couple of weeks ago, we had this huge breakout, this bull flag breakout. It led to this massive bull run where we went from, let me go to the Qs, where we went from pretty much 316 in the Qs all the way up to a high of 340 in, what is this, like 10 trading days or so. That is an aggressive move up. Price now has come back and it has retested that breakout area. We've retested that breakout area. If you look to the left and if you look to the right on the volume profile, look at this massive blue volume shelf. We came back and we tested that area too. And this also coincides with, if I put this here, and that coincides with nearly a 618 retracement of this entire move. So for us to come into this near 618, 50% area and have a huge reversal like that, we erased like a 2.3% move, downward move in the NASDAQ this morning with volume behind it. That is the indication that we have maybe completed this wave 2 of 2. Now, in order for us to get confirmation, we need to see this downtrend. We first need to see this downtrend break. We want to see price explode through this downtrend and move higher. Other hints that are supporting that we are completing a 1-2-1-2 lie in some of the individual stocks, Amazon being the big one. Take a look at Amazon. Amazon, I think this is going to be a perfect 618 retracement. Amazon came and tested, there it is. It tested the 618 perfectly. Look at this. 618 tested perfectly and bounced. Also came back and back tested this breakout area back here. Also, we're in the middle of a volume shelf. So again, we're looking to see if we can get follow through on Amazon and if we could see a couple more days higher. Apple is very interesting. It's very hard to see where to start my fibs. If I put my fibs here, then Apple went way past the 618. But if I start my fibs back here, then Apple dipped barely below the 618, came back and reversed, and it's beautiful. So if this is the correct fib placement, then Apple just did the same thing that Amazon did, and it's setting up for a massive move higher. Again, just like the broader NASDAQ, we want to watch this downtrend line. We want to see if Apple can power through this downtrend. If so, then things do look positive. Another really interesting sign today is if you compare QQQ, if you compare that to the SPY, it's interesting to see the percentage, which one was stronger today. QQQ was so much stronger than SPY for the first time in very, very, very long. Even on this big move up in the Qs in the tech sector, the tech was not leading the way. The NASDAQ was going up huge and the S&P was going up huger. Okay. But today that changed. The tech sector was only down 0.14%, while the S&P was down nearly a whole percent. It was down 0.89%. So we're starting to see this could be the very, very early beginnings of a switch or a rotation out of some of the S&P value names and back into some FANG and some large cap tech stuff. So we are going to keep an eye on that. I made the mistake last video of not talking about areas of invalidation and stuff like that. So I will not make that same mistake today. For this setup to be invalidated, we would want to see a break. We want to see this volume shelf broken, and we want to see a break below on the Qs. We want to see a break below 307. If we break below 307, this whole thing is invalidated. But on the flip side of that, in order to see confidence in this prediction, I want to see first this downtrend line broken. I want to see this high right here from 2 days ago broken. That is 336.59. And then I want to see all-time highs broken. Okay, first this trend line, then this lower high, then I want to take out the all-time high. Okay, if we can see those three things happen, then we are likely setting up for a massive move in the tech sector. So if this is 1212, that would mean we could put our extension on, could put it here, go down to there. Oof. And we would expect a 127 extension, so it could possibly mean a move up to 376. A move to 376 potentially in the coming months is likely if this is the correct setup. So that is all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment on the video, and share it. Please share this video with your friends because I want this channel to grow, and the only way that can happen is if y'all get out there and share it. So again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and have a great rest of your week trading. Bye.